Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very nice swirled heart cold process soap project. I have this heart mold here ready to go on a tray. Then I have my lye water solution and my oils here at about the same temperature. You will of course find the recipe down in the description box below. So I'm adding my lye water solution to the oils, and then I'm gonna stick blend it to emulsion. I'm going to split off the batch because I want one part to be colored in white and the other one in pink, so we can make this kind of in the pot swirl for the swirled hearts. Here is a mica. This is a colorant that I got from Nurture Soap. It's called Hollywood Pink. Absolutely love it. So I'm gonna add it directly into the oils. There's no need to premix it with anything else for mica, so that's very practical. And if you want to color your soap a little bit more vibrantly, then you can just add more mica to it. I'm adding a little bit of titanium dioxide mixed with water. This is the water soluble titanium dioxide, just to make it a little bit more pastel-y looking. I'm scraping the sides of the jug to make sure that the color is fully incorporated into the batter. Here's our small portion, and I have some titanium dioxide pre-mixed with warm water. This is water-soluble type of titanium dioxide. There is also the oil-soluble one. I just prefer the water-soluble one, and I give it a stick blend real quick. And then I'm gonna prepare for a kind of an in the pot swirl here. So here's the white. You can see it's already thickening up a little bit. This is due to the fragrance oil, but you know, I'm not really worried about it. I'm just gonna put it in, and we're gonna give it a mix with the spatula. And we're gonna go ahead and then pour it into our molds. This is the heart molds. I got these from Amazon. I will also put a link down in the description box, and I like to use a tray underneath the mold so I can move the project around if I need my space and so forth. Just makes it very practical and comfortable. So I'm pouring the soap into the heart cavities here, and then I'm just using my spatula to spread the soap so that it covers the entire cavity. Then you should spritz the tops with rubbing alcohol to prevent soda ash, and then we are back here after a couple of days. I prefer to wait a little longer, especially when I'm using these single cavities here, because there is no need to rush, and I stretch the mold around the soap to determine whether or not it will release easily. You see the swirl turned out really pretty. Typically it will get a little lighter in color after a few days, so the titanium dioxide will get lighter. Just unmolding them all. and setting them aside to cure. And typically cold process soap needs to cure 4 to 6 weeks before you actually can use it, so it gets really hard and the pH level will be optimum for use. There is an extra step that you can do if you really want your soap bar to be completely neat, is you can use one of these correcting tools here. This one comes from Brambleberry, but you can find it also on Amazon. I will leave a link down in the description box for you to check out, and you can just run it across your edge to make the edges look smooth and nice. Just gives a nice finishing touch to your bar of soap. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in more soap making videos or skincare DIY, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I look forward to see you around here very soon for another video, and in the meantime I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye!